Hello friends, this is Abhishek Bendre. I hope you guys have the good news that Visual Studio is now open source for .NET Core. The core .NET is now open source. On the webboosting.blogspot.com or .in you can find out the more details about which part is for open source. As you can see, the ASP.NET 5 and some native applications for Windows 10, that is Windows desktop application, mobile devices and embedded, and also they are releasing the Visual Studio for Apple and Linux operating systems. Okay, for more details you can visit the webhostings.blogspot.in, where you can get all the details of Visual Studio latest release. Okay, and this is the programming-guru.com, where you can find out the different tutorial of iOS, Android and ASP.NET languages. Okay, suppose I'm selecting the iOS tutorials. Here you can get the different video tutorials on this site. Okay, so coming back to the point, today I'm going to show you how we can configure the cross-platform development with the Visual Studio by using the Visual Studio 2013 update 4. Yeah, do not forget that you have to use Visual Studio 2013 update 4. Okay, after that you have to download the Apache Visual Studio tools for Apache Cordova CTP from the above link. Okay, after downloading you will get the a small 30 MB setup, that is this one. Okay, after that you have to install this, and this will download the particular compatible files like Android SDK and etc etc. Okay, so you just need to wait for completion of downloading. Okay, after that, here's your Visual Studio, and don't forget to install all these stuffs in as administrator mode, so you can work with any user. So here I have already installed that, and after that just run as administrator. Okay, yes. Now after that, here you can create a new project from file menu, and after that in the section of TypeScript, Apache Cordova apps. Okay, you can also find this type of apps in the JavaScript applications in Apache Cordova apps. Okay, but right now I'm selecting this one, this, and after that set your project name. Suppose I'm giving the PhoneGap application, right guys, and after that press OK. It will automatically configure all the stuffs for you, if you're familiar with the Cordova npm system. Okay, or by using the Node.js, in that you have to fire commands like Cordova create your application name, that the package name, that your folder name, etc. Okay, but here you do not need anything. Okay, just click on OK. It will load the whole project in your Solution Explorer. Okay, now here is the common CSS application, CSS files for your iOS, Android or Windows applications. Okay, the common images, this is the merge documents, where if you want to use the particular scripts in Android or iOS or in Windows, then you can specify over here, right? These are the resources folders, like suppose icons. Okay, suppose you want to do add some different icons for Android, some different icons for iOS, like that. Okay, you can specify in a resources folder, and this is the script folder, where you can implement your plugins or your custom jQueries or JavaScript files. Okay, this is the most important file, config.xml. Okay, this is as equal if you compare with the standard Cordova config.xml file. Okay, but just they have provided the UI for managing your different things like versions, application ID, startup page, application name, orientations, right? Yeah. After that, you can also add these are the by default plugins which can be work for all the devices, like for iOS, for Android, for Windows, right? You just have to click here and add. Okay, it will automatically add a JS file to your plugin folder in your scripts, right? Okay. Okay, here's the configuration for Android and iOS and Windows. Okay, if you want to run the iOS configuration, then you can do over here, right? For iPhone, for iPad, or for universal app, like that. Okay, or suppose you want to see the XML file, then you just select the view code. Here you can get the original XML file. Okay, yeah, but I don't think that anyone wants to see the XML file, because now Visual Studio is providing a much better UI for managing all the stuffs. Yeah, and next, this is the package config. So the next state, that is this. Okay, select the platform on which you want to run the applications. Suppose I want to run in Android, iOS, or Windows Phone, or anything else. So right now I have selected the Android, and here you can specify your devices. Okay, if you specify the Android emulator, then the emulator will launch, and your application will be installed in the emulators. Okay, for and Ripple is, this is the browser based testing. Okay, suppose I am selecting a Ripple Nexus selection. Okay, and I'm running this. Okay, this will take some time. If you run this application first time, it will takes little more time to compile, because it will configures everything, your global environment variables, and all this stuff. So just have patience, and if it will take more time, then you just close the Visual Studio and restart the Visual Studio. Okay, here we have started the applications, and application is loaded. Suppose if I show you, this is your index.html page, right? And here we have just written the hello, your application is ready. Okay, suppose I am doing the changing steps over here, like hello world app from Cordova using Visual Studio 2013. Okay, just tap this and run it again. Yeah, okay, this much becomes so easy to handle the Cordova based applications. Still I got the lots of queries regarding the configurations of PhoneGap or Cordova in Windows PC or in Mac PC. Okay, but this is the best solution for developing any iOS or cross platform applications, right guys? Okay, and one more thing that I would like to show you, that how we can configure the emulator. Okay, suppose you have a different SDK, just like me. Okay, I have already configured the Android SDK in my software and Android development tools. This is the standard SDK which I have downloaded from the developer.android.com. okay, suppose you want to use this SDK into your Visual Studio. You can specify from the tools menu and option menu, and after that just select the tools for Cordova, Apache Cordova, and select your environment variables. Okay, ADT home and home, git home, and Java home, all the variables you have to create it in the environment variables. Okay, just I have created already, and if you want to watch that, you can just specify my earlier videos from my channel, that is youtube.com/webboostings. okay, here you can find all the video tutorial related to the Swift, Objective-C, iOS, PhoneGap, okay, everything. Okay, so just find out over here. You can, I'm sure you will get that. Okay, just specify your SDK and home, and just select OK. Okay, after that, from here you have to select your emulator and just run this application. It will take some time to install your application or running the Android emulator, so have patience for a while. Till then, we will just see how much video tutorials we can get from this this YouTube channel for free. Okay, see, these are the phone gap tutorials, and okay, this is launched, so still it will take some time to load. So okay, this is the website where you can get all the video tutorials in one place. Okay, these are the different videos for native application development. Okay, for you can also see the ASP.NET video tutorials for free, and very soon I'm gonna launch the mobile applications from where you can see all the video tutorials or the examples on your phone, right? Yo, just it's loading, just wait for a while. Guys, emulator is launched, and you can see the application is now deploying to my emulator. So just wait, the launching applications, and here my application is launched. This is my splash screen, and this is my output, right guys? And if you want to change the landscape mode or change the mode of device, you can press 9 of your numpad. It will automatically change the orientation. I hope you guys have understood whatever I have told you. So just uh, get dirty hands you're on Visual Studio, so you'll get the correct ideas and update yourself to the new Visual Studio 2013 cross-platform mobile application development. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Till then, bye bye.